China is one of the countries making waves in the manufacturing and technology sector. Many argue that they are the leading country in car manufacturing, some say Russia, and others say it's the United States of America. All that speculation is about to be put to bed with this groundbreaking release that is definitely going to shift the balance of the automotive industry forever. It's a truck priced at $25,000, and it's not only affordable compared to the many internal combustion engine and electric pickup trucks currently available, but it's also more efficient as it performs equal to or better than many of these available and financially out-of-reach trucks. The truck has piqued interest in many people, and everyone who needs one or two trucks wants to know what they are getting into if they go for it. How good is its performance? Is it worth buying? Who exactly are the manufacturers of this truck? What exactly does it have over the other trucks already out there? All these questions will be answered on this video as we delve into whether it's worth the hype and every other thing the truck is about. The price of new cars has been rising nearly every month, and automakers are still having difficulty manufacturing cars that are both inexpensive and of excellent quality in order to meet the demand of the buyers. With a price tag of $39,900, which is still considerably on the expensive side, the Chevrolet Silverado EV is currently the cheapest truck. But now the car industry is set to be revolutionized with the launch of the Geely Radar RD6. It was initially released in China back in September 2022 and already had over 1,000 units sold shortly after its launch. By now, it already covers over 64% of the electric pickup trucks being used in the country. So the more important question is what the truck is truly about and why it has become very popular among buyers already. The Radar RD6 is an all-electric mid-size pickup truck produced by the Chinese automaker Geely under the Radar brand. Before you start wondering what Geely is, they are the 7th biggest automaker in China, and they own other brands such as Volvo Cars, Lotus, Geely Auto, Zeekr, and Polestar. Their Radar RD6 has quite a number of unique features that makes it stand out compared to other electric pickup trucks. Let's talk about range. The RD6 comes in 3 different battery sizes. With the 66 kWh battery, you're looking at getting around 215 miles of pure electric range, whereas with the 86 kWh battery, you're looking at 280. However, if you are going for the 100 kWh battery size, you can get up to a huge 380 miles of pure electric bliss. If you're familiar with electric cars already, you will know this sounds almost too good to be true. Compared to the Rivian R1T, you can get between 290 and 360 electric miles, which sounds great, but not if you look at the price comparison, costing between $72,000 and $80,000. Furthermore, the RD6 has fast-charging characteristics that allow it to charge quickly, from 30% to 80% in just 30 minutes. This feature makes the car more useful and convenient, which appeals to people looking for quick and easy ways to charge their cars at different times. The Geely Radar RD6 also offers some special features, including a concealed storage compartment beneath the second-row rear seats. While the Radar RD6's style is unique, it is structurally similar to the legendary Toyota Hilux. Its LED headlamps are smoothly blended with a characteristic black grille shaped like a crystal, and it has a long, compact signal light on the side. 2 Fox air intakes that are positioned underneath add to the car's overall fierce look. The bumper's interlocking black bars are expertly designed to give the impression of a wider air inlet. The top of the bonnet is perfectly flat, suggesting a wide front that might hold a sizable amount of cargo. Even though the fenders might seem dented up close, this detail is only seen with close study. Another remarkable part of this truck is its tires. It has standard 17-inch wheels that handles pretty well on bumpier terrains, but the ground clearance comes up a little short, so you can probably expect to hit a couple of bumps and rocks in the path if you are exploring. However, it still retains the usual speed and grace of electric cars when on regular roads and motorways, which makes it a fun ride. Moving to the back, the boot door is completely covered in an eye-catching long bar tail light. With a cargo bed that measures 5 feet 60 inches and a payload capacity of 450 kilograms, the Geely Radar RD6 has strong load-carrying capabilities. Furthermore, it has a remarkable 3,000 kilograms towing capacity, which means that it can transport heavy cargo. Additionally, the cargo bed's roomy 1,200-liter capacity guarantees that there is enough room for carrying a variety of goods. The Radar RD6 boasts dimensions designed for a robust and spacious presence with a wheelbase of 122.8 inch, a length of 207.1 inches, and a width of 74.8 inches. It provides a well-proportioned frame. The height of 72.0 inches adds to its commanding stance, creating a vehicle that combines size with agility. This truck would also be great and very useful for campers and for the outdoor lifestyle brand. There are 6 power outlets on the RD6 bed wall. It is claimed that those sockets can supply up to 2,000 watts of power, which would be more than enough for tailgate campers. An additional feature that buyers really love is the capability to directly charge other electric cars. Moving to the interior, the RD6 delivers a level of interior design that is value for its money. 2 LCD screens on the dashboard add to its overall sleek and contemporary appearance. The first display is a 12.3-inch instrument screen that sits behind the steering wheel and shows important data like driving range, speed, signals, real-time maps, and more. The infotainment touchscreen, which is centered and measures the top of the dashboard, serves as the second display. This touchscreen has software features such as a video player, phone dialer, radio climate control, car settings, battery tracking, voice control, and more, in contrast to the instrument cluster's guided placement. There are 2 air vents, a set of buttons that are nicely placed, and a wireless phone charger underneath this setup. It's important to remember that the charging area can only accommodate 1 smartphone at a time. The Radar RD6's interior facilities continue with a drive mode selector that offers choices for both Eco and Sport modes, after which there is a drive, reverse, and park selector. Next to it is a covered storage area that can be easily accessed by pulling the top back. The soft touch materials that cover the interior of the cabin give it a luxurious sense. The large 51-inch panoramic sunroof that covers the whole roof of the automobile is a notable addition. In furtherance of enhancing the overall atmosphere, this sunroof lets an abundance of natural light into the interior. Even with its cargo bed and pickup truck styling, it still manages to surprise with plenty of head and leg room in the front and back seats. Its large rear leg room is especially reminiscent of most SUVs. For a vehicle with these many advantages and special features, it will be disappointing if it lacked distinct safety measures for its users. A number of safety features are included with the Radar RD6 pickup truck to improve security for both drivers and passengers. These consist of active braking, traffic sign recognition, blind spot warning indicators, cruise control, lane departure warning, front and rear collision warning, and lane keeping assistance. Interestingly, the top trim offers the whole safety suite. The security and safety of the pickup truck is one of its most important features, especially with the users, and the occasional call for improvement being adhered to is particularly significant and encouraging. The pickup truck is yet to enter some countries, and I've seen many people talk about getting it immediately when it lands in their countries. Most of the current users are satisfied with it, and with a few of them making mentions of the improvements they would like to see. What are your thoughts on the Geely Radar RD6? And if you are yet to make a purchase, what improvements would you like to see made before you do purchase? Feel free to share your ideas with everyone in the comments. Also, if you already purchased the electric pickup truck, it would be nice to hear your experience with it in the comments. Thank you. That will be all for today on Power Pulse. Please support the channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons real quick, and make sure to check our other videos if you like this one. See you again soon.